it opened my eyes as to what the sector needs to be supported. Independent power producers need support. As government, we've put in place a government implementation agreement, but we know that there are certain things that need to be fine-tuned. Having the right level of tariff, which I'm told is a good level, being able to provide the government guarantee on the power purchase agreement is also very good. But the third pillar, which is making sure that foreign currency is available to the investors, is where we need to do more as government to see how else we can support these private sector investors to invest more in the sector and feel comfortable that they'll get their returns as intended. We keep improving the investment climate every day. As I said, for investors in this sector, the power sector, renewable energy sector, we've, I think, dealt with the issue of security in terms of getting paid, but then it's about getting paid in the right currency. That is the issue. Also, the level of payment in terms of tariff is the right level. So we've managed to fix a good part of what is required to improve the investment climate, but we need to do a bit more, and we'll continue to improve.
And will our next budget cater for maybe more support towards the energy sector?
Yes, we already had it work to see how we can perhaps establish what we call in finance an escrow account, an escrow mechanism that can then support the independent power producers, the IPP producers within this sector. So already had it work on that, and in the next budget we should be able to go some way in putting that mechanism in place.
Honde Valley, we've got 6 power stations and generating a total of...
So 6 projects already?
You've only seen 1. There's another 5 in the Honde Valley. And we're generating a total of what? 27 there.
And another 7
megawatts.
In Nyanga, we have got 7 megawatts. Motoko, we've got 2.5 megawatts as a pilot project, solar, which was the first one in the country. And it's ready to roll out more. It's all about being able to raise money offshore for debt. It's raising money so that anyone who puts money into this country wants to see the same currency come out. Okay, they're very uncomfortable with the exchange system at present.
And how viable is this sector?
When we get paid in the right currency, it's viable. It's guaranteed, or it's underwritten by the energy regulator. That all works fine. But unfortunately, as the whole country will have realized, last weekend we got paid at one rate, and the next day what we got paid was worth half of that. It doesn't make a project viable. Because remember, we're getting paid in the local currency. And we have got commitments in US dollars. So we all understand that. Everyone does. Because we were affected as a corporate, every individual was affected. So we need to sort those things out.
We need more water to generate more power, and without water then it means there's no more power. But we also need the support of foreign currency to try and do all our business in a smooth manner. But currently here in Pungwe B we do 15 megawatts, and Honde Valley is around 3.75 megawatts. So all the excess goes to the national grid. That's how we support the country.